What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. We've got a great video for you guys today. We're going to cover what you should do when a rider tries to cancel on you mid-trip. Basically trying to get, it's the free ride scam. I'm sure you guys are familiar with it. Before we jump into this video, wanted to give a shout out to our sponsor, Solo. Solo is a phenomenal app that gets you guaranteed earnings for the hours that you're out there. Tax mileage, pretty much everything you would need just condensed into one app. It's the best service out there right now. You guys can get $15 just for signing up using our link in the description below. There's literally no reason you shouldn't check this out immediately. At least get the 15 bucks and browse through the app. So anyways, let's dive in. So a lot of you guys have probably experienced this. I only experienced it once in about 5 years of driving, but essentially what happens is you're in the middle of a ride. A lot of times how they'll do this is they'll ask if you can make a quick stop. And then once you're at the stop, they cancel the ride. Now there's a little more preemptive measures put into place by Uber and Lyft now to avoid this happening, but it is something that I still see happening quite a bit. So the very first thing you have to do if this happens is you need to report it to support immediately. Now, the one thing I will say is you can't always get this resolved, which is really frustrating. And what I would do is, if this was a short ride anyways, as annoying as it is, I would let it go. If you were only going to make $3 to $5, because that's a lot of times where these cheapos are going, is to, you know, someplace like within a mile that they just don't want to walk to, it's probably not worth your time. Now, if this was a longer ride, for example, then you're going to want to fight this a little bit. But the best thing you can do is contact support right away. Let them know exactly what happened. Don't leave any details out. You know, when this happened to me, I basically took them to a liquor store. They said it was a quick stop, and the destination looked like it was another 2 miles down the road. They never came out, and I was calling. Nothing from them. Now, I had a buddy who had a similar thing happen where they were able to somehow cancel it right before, like, he dropped off, and he somehow didn't see it. They got out of the car quick, and that was just that. So in that case, what you're going to want to do is take as many screenshots as you can of the app as well with the route. Don't exit out of that ride if it's still up, or you can pull up the canceled ride and basically take some screenshots there. But you want to have as much evidence as you can to essentially provide that proof. Now, best case scenario, you have a dash cam and you can show that person getting in and you saying, hey, are you so-and-so? Yeah, awesome. Now you've got some like video evidence. And honestly, on that note, guys, you should all just get dash cams for that reason and a plethora of other reasons. But the main thing you're going to have to do is provide some type of evidence to Uber or Lyft support so that they can get you compensated for that ride. So that's what I got for you guys. Let me know if this has ever happened to you in the comments below. Check out Solo, linked in the description. Get your free $15. And I will talk to you guys soon.